Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly remarkable to share with you. As you already know, artificial intelligence has revolutionized the world of art generation. In this video, we will delve into one of the most powerful AI tools in the market for generating art from text. Say hello to Adobe Firefly. Look at this image made by AI. You already know that. Today we will explore one of the most powerful free art generating AI from the text. It's Adobe Firefly. In Adobe Firefly, you will discover a lot of mind-blowing features that will leave you in awe. From generating text to image to utilizing generative fill, text effects, generative recolor, 3D image rendering, and extending your images, the possibilities are truly limitless. Adobe Firefly offers an impressive range of features that allow you to personalize your results. With its advanced capabilities, you can transform text into vector graphics, create captivating patterns from text, turn text into brush strokes, convert sketches into vibrant images, and even transform the text into stunning templates. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into each of these remarkable functionalities in Adobe Firefly. Here, you can witness a stunning collection of photos, artwork, graphics, vectors, and illustrations, all generated by the remarkable Adobe Firefly. This cutting-edge tool is currently in its beta version and offers an incredible opportunity to use it freely and without limitations until the beta period concludes. To access the free beta version, simply navigate to the designated website and proceed with the sign-up process. You can find the website link in the description box. Once you've signed up, you'll be greeted with an intuitive interface, offering a lot of options to choose from. Whether it's editing your existing images or generating entirely new ones, Adobe Firefly provides an extensive range of possibilities at your fingertips. Next, click on the Generate button and kindly acknowledge the terms and conditions by clicking Next. You will be directed to a page showcasing captivating art pieces created by fellow users. You have the option to modify the provided prompts in order to obtain visually similar high-quality images. Alternatively, you can unleash your creativity by entering your own unique prompts in the text box located at the bottom of the page. I am using this prompt as an example. Once you enter the prompt of your choice and click on the Generate button, this interface will showcase the generated results based on the input prompt. You can find the specific prompt mentioned in the pinned comment for reference. To support the continued creation of content like this, I kindly request that you show your appreciation by liking this video. Additionally, I encourage you to leave a comment expressing your thoughts and suggestions. Within a matter of seconds, the AI will generate 4 unique images based on the prompt you provide. If the generated images don't quite meet your expectations, don't worry. Adobe Firefly offers a range of options on the left side of the interface to help you explore more results based on the same prompt. For example, switching the content type from art to none. This adjustment will generate incredible and highly realistic images that closely resemble actual photographs, rather than AI-generated visuals. The level of realism achieved by Adobe Firefly is genuinely remarkable and can be a game changer for your creative projects. Now, let's switch the content type from none to photo and witness how Adobe Firefly delivers precise images based on your given prompt. These images possess all the qualities and characteristics you mentioned in your prompt. As I want to use these images for my YouTube video, I select the aspect ratio size of 16:9 from the menu on the left side. By doing so, Adobe Firefly generates images perfectly suited to my desired size and dimensions. You can also explore various styles and experiment with different options to customize the images according to your preferences. Now I will add some more options with my prompt in color and tone options. I have chosen the vibrant option because I want my images to be vibrant in colors. Similarly, I will choose dramatic lighting and composition at wide angles because I want my images to be wide angles. As I click on these options, they are added below my prompt. Now I will click Generate button and create my images. Friends, it's truly remarkable to witness how accurately Adobe Firefly has generated images based on the prompt and specific qualities I provided. The images produced by this tool perfectly align with my expectations and demonstrate the power of AI technology in the realm of image generation. These images I got as expected. It's really good. These images or vibrant colors have dramatic lighting and wide angle as well. Now I try another prompt using the same qualities. It will give me the same visual quality images according to my given prompt again. Now if I want to generate variations for any specific image, then simply open the image and click on the top left button. It will create 4 variations of that image for me. Now I want to download this image, so I will open it and click on the download button in the top right corner. Then accept the terms and conditions, and it will add an Adobe watermark to the picture. Then your image will be downloaded. You can remove the watermark by simply cropping the image. This way you can create free high-quality images for your YouTube content in less and until they end their beta version. So friends, I'm truly amazed by the capabilities of this AI art tool. It's clear that Adobe Firefly is an extraordinary tool that can generate stunning and realistic images based on your prompts. What are your thoughts? I would love to hear your opinions and experiences with this tool, so please share them in the comments section below. If you're new here, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you'll gain access to free AI learning content that will help you unlock the full potential of artificial intelligence. So go ahead and click on the subscribe button to join our community of AI enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next AI learning video. Take care.